Hi guys, I want to show you how I make a really quick keto dessert. It's really low in carbs. I haven't actually counted it, but you can count it. It's very low in carbs. Very good, very sweet treat. Okay, so the ingredients are ricotta cheese. You can use however many scoops you want. Sugar-free whipped heavy cream. Yummy. A little stevia if you so choose. Some Smucker's Sundae syrup. This is sugar-free caramel. And I really hate this one because it doesn't taste very good, so I only put a little bit. Sugar-free chocolate flavored syrup, this is the Walmart brand, and some peanuts. So the first thing we're gonna do is I feel like eating probably 3 scoops of this. Literally, doesn't matter, just get as much as you want. This is ricotta cheese, so it's very thick. You could also use cottage cheese with this. It would probably work the same, be just a little more wet. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit and put just the tiniest little bit of stevia. You will know how much to put in depending on what kind of stevia you use. We use better stevia. It's really good, very tasty. You could also put peanut butter in this. I am choosing not to do that. Okay, so this is one of the tiniest bowls that Corel makes. It is like a kid's snack bowl. It's not even like a regular saucer. So I'm going to put, this is really good, but it's also really sweet. So put as much in it as you want, but just keep in mind it is very sweet. Let's see. But it does make it very good. It's like a sundae here. We have chocolate syrup. Again, I don't like this so much, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. And whipped cream. I'm gonna put just dollops of it around the sides. Now we have nuts. They are not chopped up nuts. They're just halves. And there is my dessert. It took less than 1 minute to make this dessert, and it's going to be a really good nighttime dessert. You can Netflix and chill with this one for sure. So let's just go ahead and see what the carb count is. There are 7 servings in this entire container. 1/4 cup is 1 serving. It's 100 calories with 3 carbs. So there's no added sugar to this. It just has whey, milk, vinegar, xanthan gum, which is a thickener, locust bean gum, and guar gum. They're all thickeners. So yeah, that's what that has in it. And the rest of them, sugar-free. Let's see about this. 31 servings in this entire container, 20 calories, 2 grams of fat, 0 carbs. So yeah, doing pretty good. The only real carbs that we have here is from the nuts. So let's see. 1/4 of a cup is a serving. I didn't get anywhere near 1/4 of a cup. 15 grams of fat and 6 carbs minus 2 fiber if you're doing it that way. So maybe, let's see, maybe 3.5 carbs for that. Definitely worth it. It's very tasty. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, let me know with a thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos. See you later. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out last week's video and my other channels, Fully Living, Fully Cooked, and Fully Fun. Have a great day.